In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your charts using your Google Sheets mobile app. So if you're working on a spreadsheet using your Google Sheets mobile app and you want to edit your charts, here's how to do it. In my example data set right here, I have my data and my chart. So all the information from my chart is dependent from my data on the spreadsheet. But if you just want to edit how your chart looks, like where your legends would be, the colors that are used in your columns, what you can do would be to tap on that chart, then just tap on the pencil icon where you can edit it. So tap on that, and here we have it. We have our chart. We can select the chart type. Right now it's a column chart. There we have it. So the legends are these names right here where our managers are. And right now they're positioned to the right. If you want to change that, you can do so. Just go ahead and select the one that you like. If you want to put it at the bottom, that is what it's going to look like. There we go. Go back. So if you want to add some horizontal or vertical titles, you can do so. If you tap on the titles right here, we have the chart title, which is sales at the moment. If you want to edit that, you can just go ahead and do it. You have your horizontal axis title. So let's say we want to add the title manager right there, update title, and that is what it's going to look like. For the left vertical axis, you can add the sales total. There we go. And you will see it right there on the left side. And now for the color, if we select color, we can now change the color for each of the bars or each of the columns that represent each manager. If you select one right there, you have no custom colors, but if you go to the basic ones, there you have them, and you can just select from our color palette. So there are a lot of colors that you can choose from. Again, this is totally up to you which one you would want to use for your charts. There we have it. I've changed the first one right there. Let's go ahead and change the third one into a different color. And there you have it. So these are the options that you can change with your charts. Though they might be limited, but they can definitely impact how your charts would look like, even if you will just edit them here in the Google Sheets mobile app. And there you have it. We've added some titles at the left axis and the horizontal axis. We've also moved our legends to the bottom and changed the colors of some of the columns that represent each of our managers. And that's how you can customize your charts using your Google Sheets mobile app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.